Did you know sled training can transform your body awareness in ways you never imagined? Watch how this game-changing exercise revolutionizes flexibility and strength. Meet Alex, who discovered that pushing and pulling a weighted sled engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, creating a full-body workout that enhances proprioception, your body's ability to sense movement and position. As they push the sled across the training floor, each step activates core stabilizers, leg and leg muscle, and upper body strength in perfect coordination. Research shows that consistent sled training improves joint flexibility by 40% when performed 3 times weekly. The key lies in progressive overload, starting light and gradually adding weight as your body adapts. Despite initial doubts about maintaining motivation alone, Alex found that tracking improvements in form and weight capacity created a self-sustaining drive to continue. Want to unlock your body's full potential? Drop a comment below sharing your biggest workout challenge, and let's solve it together.